Subscribe Prudent Social Media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
GMC has, you also had it.
Yeah,
So it
I
was
have it,
coming
but-
to about 58%,
Yeah, 52%.
52%. But that is because many of
only in
them,
the month of Jan.
see, we can definitely say 52% have not received. But among the others also a group where their vaccination status is not known. So if they are brought dead, some people are brought on from the street, some chronic cases, their vaccination status is not known. So while we can say 52% have taken no dose, we can't say that the remaining,
So
we are not
as-
sure about the remaining yet. See, we do know that, as you said, about 1% have not received the second dose. So about 10,000, as you say, are people not vaccinated, right? Without any dose, yes. So these are the people exactly who the virus is now catching and they are getting admitted and some of them are dying. So these exactly are those people. Now these people are people, we have done our best to try to address, find out who are these people. We have gone to their homes, we are giving drive-in people who are older and who are coming, as you see the profile, demographic profile, most of them are older people. So we've done our best. There are few who don't want to take the vaccine. And these are the people we are trying to convert and make them take the vaccine because we can see that these are the ones who are getting admitted and dying.